สบายดี
สบายดีสำหรับวันนี้พวกเราจะมานำเสนอเกี่ยวกับการเฮ็ดคลิปรายการในการผัดพื้นฐานเนาะ Okay, today we will do presentation about create video from basic accommodation. Watch with me. Let's go see now.
Well, you done me.
Hi. Can I hear you? Do you have? Yes, of course. In the Swan Cafe, we have many rooms. Yes. This double room is had one bed, can sleep two people, and this common room is had two bed, can sleep two people, and the single room it has one bed, can sleep alone. The total room is room rate 200,000 kip per person per night. Okay. And this dormitory room, the room for 4 people and 6 people, but the room for 4 people it would be 70,000 kip per person per night.
Okay.
And the room for 6 people it would be 80,000 kip per person per night.
Okay, I would like to dormitory room for 3 people.
Okay. How many would you like to stay tonight or one more?
Finish tonight.
Okay. Your room price going to be 80,000 kip per person per night.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Kim.
My name is Jessie.
And you?
Where are you from?
We are from Philippines.
In the total room price would be 240,000 kip.
Okay.
This is your key. Also, one cafe have order for breakfast starting from 7:30 to 11 a.m. Reception here open 24 hours. When you go to the room, ask you are to bring any food or drink to the cafe and room except from there.
Okay, thank you.
Our check-in time is before 11 a.m.
Okay.
Okay, right now we are going to show you room.
Okay.
Did you have the bag?
Yes.
Should I take it?
No, thanks. We have one bag per person.
Well, you done me, and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention.
So this room number 303. Okay, if you need any else, you can let me know. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay.
Bye.
Fancy.
Good morning.
Morning.
This morning we will suspend menu for breakfast.
Okay. What's the menu?
This is mayonnaise, egg, tuna salad, croissant, and butter with jam.
What do you want to eat? Croissant. Okay. We would like to croissant
minutes, please.
We want to go sightseeing around the town. Can you tell us this bicycle?
Yes, we can also one cafe have bicycle to foreign year 20,000 people, right?
Oh, this sounds good. Okay. What do you want to eat? Okay. We would like to and some water.
Okay, make a meat, please.
Today we want to go sightseeing around the town. Can you tell us this bicycle?
Yes, we can also one cafe have bicycle foreign year 20,000 people, right?
Oh, that sounds good. We would like 3 bikes.
What's the sure.
About 3 o'clock.
Okay, we will have bike for you in front of the cafe. Take it when you need.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
You are welcome and you're very interesting. We have something to recommend you. In the cafe have additional service which will be the rate for direct dinner and drink open at 5 to 12 p.m.
I think it's interesting. And you? That's right.
Okay, thank you.
Well, you done me in your bed, I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be.
Hello, can I help you, sir?
Hi, we want to check out today.
May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Kim, Jeffrey, and Emil. And the room number is 303.
Your name and you, Kim, Jeffrey, and the room number 303, right?
Yes.
Thank you. Would you like a tuk-tuk for the airport? Thank you for your stay in the Swan Cafe. See you next time. Have a good trip.
Thank you too for your service. I'm very interested and happy to stay here. I hope next time we will come back to this here. See you next time. Bye.และจะจบไปด้านนอกเป็นการบริการทางด้านการบริการที่เป็นขนาดน้องฝากกดไลค์กดแชร์ให้เด้อและสุดท้ายนี้ก็ขอขอบใจมายังทางสวรรค์คาเฟ่ที่สนับสนุนให้พวกเราได้ถ่ายทำวิดีโอ and this egg is basic accommodation service. However, I would like you like and share for us, please. So finally, I would like to thank you so much. That's one cafe that support to praise for making video. Thank you so much. ขอบใจ
Well, you done me in your bed, I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks.